No Wi-Fi? No problem. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 best solar security cameras of 2025, powerful, wireless, and built to protect your home anytime, anywhere. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best solar security cameras of 2025. I'll go over their features, real customer reviews, and pros so you can pick the perfect one for your home security. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Eufy Security 4G LTE Cam. This powerhouse camera delivers 4K Ultra HD video, pan and tilt control, and AI tracking. It supports 4G LTE and Wi-Fi duo mode, making it perfect for remote areas. It even comes with a SIM card and 32 GB South Dakota card. Customer reviews. Users love the reliable 4G connectivity, no Wi-Fi needed, and the sharp 4K video clarity for monitoring large outdoor areas. Pros: 4K Ultra HD resolution, 4G, LTE and Wi-Fi dual mode, AI motion tracking, SIM card and 32 GB storage included. Perfect for remote locations. Number 2. Solar Security Camera. This bundle includes 2 solar-powered cameras with 360 degrees panoramic view, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.45G, night vision with spotlight, per-motion sensor, and two-way audio. Customer reviews. Buyers appreciate the wide 360 degrees coverage and say the spotlight feature is a great deterrent for unwanted visitors. Pros: 4MP high resolution, 360 degrees view coverage, dual-band Wi-Fi support, spotlight plus night vision. Comes as a 2-pack for extra value. Number 3. Eufy Security SoloCam S220. A solar-powered 2K camera designed for continuous power with no monthly subscription fees. It works with Homebase 3 for smart integration and runs on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Customer reviews. People highlight the zero-maintenance solar charging and the fact that it's subscription-free, saving money long-term. Pros: 2K HD resolution, continuous solar power, no monthly fees, Homebase 3 compatible, easy setup and reliable performance. Number 4. Hiseeu Solar Security Cameras. This set delivers 3K 4MP resolution, per AI motion detection, two-way audio, waterproof build, and color night vision. Includes both cloud and South Dakota storage options. Customer reviews. Users love the sharp image quality and dual storage options, making it flexible for different security needs. Pros: 3K 4MP resolution, per and AI motion detection, color night vision, waterproof design. 2 cameras included. Number 5. COOAU Solar Security Camera. This Wi-Fi 6 powered solar camera offers 2K video, AI smart detection, color night vision, 360 degrees rotation, and IP66 weatherproofing. Built for low light performance and easy installation. Customer reviews. Buyers praise the clear color night vision and Wi-Fi 6 speed, making it reliable even with multiple devices connected. Pros: 2K HD resolution, Wi-Fi 6 technology, color night vision, AI smart detection, IP66 all-weather protection. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that's our list of the top 5 best solar security cameras of 2025. From the eufy 4G LTE S330 for off-grid areas, the 360 degrees dual-pack bundle, the subscription-free SoloCam S220, the Hiseeu 3K dual set, to the Wi-Fi 6-powered COOAU camera, there's a perfect solar-powered solution for every home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our top gadget reviews. Question of the day: which solar security camera would you install at your home, 4G power or Wi-Fi smart? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.